Welcome to EQ and filter types. In this lesson, you're going to learn the basic tools we use for working with the frequency range of our music. Okay, let's get started with the low shelf EQ. Click on track 1 and do Shift Tab so you see EQ8, and then double click on the little spectrum window so you can see all the EQs. Now, band 1 is activated. It's set to 80 Hertz. Here is the frequency setting. Listen to what happens as I boost the shelf. We get a lot more low end. Your turn. In the next activity, use band 1 on the EQ8 to boost and cut the low shelf EQ. High shelf EQ, where do we find it? Well, parametric EQ. This is the most common EQ. Let's hear what we can do with the parametric EQ. Your turn. Select track 1. Notch filter. Up next is another mid-range tool. Now it's your turn to play with the notch filter. High-pass filter, one of my favorite tools. Let's hear the high-pass filter in action. Low-pass filter, well, just like the high-pass filter. Your turn, play the next activity. Bandpass filter, what is it and what does it do? Let's hear an example of the bandpass filter in action. Okay, so that finishes the list of basic EQ and filter types that we're going to be using in this course. Let's review so this is fresh in your mind. Again, cut before you boost. Finally, thank you for coming with me on this hands-on session lesson tutorial.